guys, James Palms here. So, how to have really nice edges on your garden. So what to do, how to make your edges really nice like this. Step one, if you don't have a nice edge and you're going to put mulch here and grass here, step one is to get a nice, like either a shovel or you can even get an edger that is a shovel, kind of like not a spade, it's like a flat end. And dig down and get this first, dig a small trench at the very front of your garden, 6 inches deep. And you can go a little deeper, it won't hurt because you're going to fill it in with mulch, and the mulch on a little bit of a hill because you're going to create a hill. So basically you want sharp drop off and then a gradual hill. So you dig down with your shovel and then up like this, and then as you roll your mulch, you roll it to the bottom of your little trench. So basically you create a trench like this, and then you try to cut all this, and then when you're mowing with your grass, the grass will keep growing over it. It'll keep getting nasty. So I got the tip and trick for this. I mean, I made a video before talking about how to do nice edges and nice circles. Try to make it a nice circle around your trees, and this is sort of more of a tutorial of how to do it. So the first time, just try to lay it out nice and try to make a nice circle. I mean, I just did it by eye, but you can get it as a nice circle that you'll see with the shovel, with edging it out and doing your little trench. And then we'll come around here to the palms and I'll show you what I do. Like, this is what I do on all my trees. Let me just open the fence here. So you see here around this palm, same thing. Now I cut the grass just yesterday, so there's dead grass clippings here, but they'll disintegrate, and I put down more mulch and stuff. And this one has lights in the way. But basically, I just create a circle around it and chop it all out with the shovel. Now, to maintain it, though, is the thing. Would I always get asked the question. So you have to use what's called a straight edger, and that will come down basically at 90 degrees to your trimmer, and it cuts it perfectly. So you can keep this all year long. Once you've dug it out once and you've mulched this, you won't get too much. If you have any grass, just pull it. But if you won't get a ton of grass in there, though, if you have a thick layer of mulch. But for this area here, this will keep growing over it, or it will keep falling or crumbling or whatever. So what you got to use for that is this tool. So I'll show you the tool, and that's basically all there is to it. It's just keeping up on it. So I have this still, and it's a multi-head attachment. And basically this is the attachment you want to buy, and it's called a straight edger. And you can buy this with, they actually sell like proprietary ones. It's just, the whole thing is just an edger. But this one's really good because you get 2 in 1. You can have 3, 4, 5 in 1. You can get chainsaw attachments. You can get weed eater, all kinds of stuff. I just have these 2 right now because I already had a good weed eater. So basically you use this attachment to do the edges, and then you can use the blower to blow all the clippings off of your concrete and stuff, because I'll get lots of grass and stuff. When you're edging all these lines, you're going to get grass all over your sidewalk everywhere, and then you can blow it back into the grass and let it disintegrate into there, and then it returns the nutrients. So basically you take that straight edger and you just buzz it around here. And when I do the circles, I like to go backwards just because of the way it turns, because the wheel is on the back of it. So I like to kind of, basically all you're doing, I'm not going to do this on the camera because the thing is super loud and I can't really do it with 2 hands, and I don't have anything to sort of position this on. But you're basically just taking this edge, that metal bar, and you're basically putting it into the edge that you've already created with your shovel, and then you're walking. I walk backwards with it. You can do it forward, but I find it's a little harder. It kind of jams. So you walk backwards and you slice all the grass, and that's how you get these beautiful, nice edges. I should have actually cleaned the grass out of here to show it off a little bit better, but maybe this one looks a little nicer right now. There's just so much grass that has fallen into there, but it's hard to see in the sun. But anyways, I'll show you a picture from the sky that'll be on the thumbnail here. I got a picture from up on my roof when I was cleaning out my gutter. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Try that. If you have any questions or tips or tricks, again, I linked in one of my last videos about lawn care that you can go check out. Alan Haynes Lawn Care Nut is his YouTube channel. I recommend you check it out. He has lots of information. That's where I learned about getting the straight edger and how to keep your edges of your grass looking clean and beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.